Good morning, good morning. So I was just thinking that this project that I'm doing, well, it's kind of an advent, so I'd have to shoot and then get it edited and punched out on the same day. But that kind of negates me putting in anything that's happening later on in the late afternoon, evening. So maybe I thought I would do some flashbacks like this. What do you want for Christmas?
Slugs.
Tonight, for example, I'm going to be going into Peckham, which is South London, and I'm meeting up with a director I worked with on his first film last year, and it was a short film called Mudlarks. It won a shitload of awards, and but he was doing some tests this evening on this new thing, so I'm going to head over there. Maybe I'll get some stuff there, which I'll show you tomorrow, hopefully, or maybe not. Bubby, can I get a portrait of you for today's project? I love you. But we need to find a really cool little spot, don't we? If you like that, but hold it there. No, I didn't like that. I didn't like. Right, eyes to the camera just now. Why?
No.
Why? Let me ask you a question. Why did it take you 45 minutes to do up your shoelaces?
It took 2 minutes. Did I come back through?
I saw Mummy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. Did you try that?
Yeah.
When?
2 days ago.
You vandal.
They're not very good.
You're a vandal.
Bye.
Safe. Don't talk to anyone weird.
Like you.
Huh?
Like you.
What do you mean like me, you cheeky? Right, Sophia's off away for the weekend. I did get a portrait of her. I'm going to post that in a minute. Well, hopefully I can get some footage in now and I'll share it tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, guys. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please hit the like button, and here's the picture. See you tomorrow.